Question 12. When a solid cube is held up to the light, how many of the following shapes could its shadow have? So there are 4 possible options. We've got between 0 and 4. I've drawn the shapes out here, and this one here would be if we're looking directly on this cube. So this one is possible. This one down here, if we angled the cube, so it's like this, then actually this is a shadow that can be formed. We can look down on it, and this is a shadow that can be formed. This one here, well, if we moved it so that it's directly onto the camera in this case, you can see that the shape that forms, the outline of that shape forms a rectangle. So it's a bit like we've got a line in there. You can move it so that it's any way along, but that is indeed possible. But this one actually isn't possible, because what you've got going on here is actually a cuboid in here. And this is just not long enough. Like this shows it as a hexagon with these equal sides because of the way that the diagonal lines work, and when you've angled it a little bit. But this one here only shows a cuboid, so this is not the case. So the answer is 3, which is D.